Guys, are you ready? Boom, delete account. Delete account. Guys, tips and trick family. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account forever. So watch the video until the end, don't skip. Open your Instagram app. Then go to your profile icon down here. From the hamburger menu, then go to setting, go to account center. After that, go to personal details. Let's go on account ownership, reactivation or deletion. Let's press on our account. See, these are my username. Then you go to delete account. Okay, and continue. Guys, I told you this is tips and tricks. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, here you have to choose any issue. Don't worry. Then you go to continue. Guys, then here you have to enter your password, your current password. Okay, then press continue. Guys, remember, like, share, and comment. Subscribe. Guys, are you ready? Boom, delete account. Delete account, guys. So thank you so much, guys. Remember to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.